I love that whooshing, like the
That's like my favorite part of the
That's my favorite part too, man. This whole thing's having a slight problem with life.
My name's Cody Hubbard. I've got 6 Fi SP4 15s and a 6-holder on one Soundqubed 7K. Batteries, I got 2 160 amp hour Sprinter AGMs. Door speakers, the PRV Neo 8s. I have an Audioque AQ 200.2 powering those. Yeah, all the speakers have been kicked to shit, so. It's been kind of rough, man, because I've been going through some depression lately, and I don't know what I'd do without bass. I think my next thing is I want to work on getting everything better looking. That's almost embarrassing, man, but I appreciate it, man.
No, don't be, awesome. Please don't. I won't show it if you don't want me to show it.
No, you can show it.
Okay, I love this. This is what I live for. This reminds me of me.
Yeah, it was miserable. I paid some kid $50 and gave him my Sawzall, and he cut it out. He cut out my old Baffles. Overall, this build is not as loud, but it definitely more musicality to it. I calculated the rear port. Some guys helped me out on the 6-holder forums. My work speaks for itself, man. It's not that pretty, but it sounds great. Great.
my god.
Hope you liked it.
It feels like a ride. I love and I hate it because I never know where to point the camera. There's so much going on. I'm like, where do I put the camera?
I beat this
dude.
I beat the truck to death.
And I can tell, especially over in this region, everything moves so much.
Can I show you why?
Show me.
Show me
Why. What the hell? How long has it been like that?
I just noticed it yesterday.
Are you gonna weld that thing together?
Yeah, I also gotta weld my door over here.
Alright guys, coming in with another demo here. What's your name one more time?
Kessler.
What?
Kessler.
Kessler? Yeah. That's a nice name, dude. I don't think I've ever met a Kessler before.
Yeah, I've never met anybody with that name either.
Nope. You have two ZV318s with a nice Octoport, stained and poly.
Legacies.
Whooshing, like the
That's like my favorite part of the
That's
car.
my favorite part too, man. I like that a lot.
Yeah.
Doors coming off the hinges though, you're gonna have to watch out for that going down the
I
road.
had the door panel off the other day and two of the bolts for the regulator fell off.
Are you serious?
I can't find them. I don't know where to get. I'll have to find them.
Yeah, this whole thing's having a slight problem with life.
It is.
Yes, sir, you better be ready to start chasing the breaking when you go basing. I'm telling you, it's always one thing or the other. Something breaks over here, you fix it, the flex transfers over to here, and then that thing breaks. Whether your install looks messy from your subs freaking blowing it apart, or it looks a little bit messy from it being a work in progress and you're still trying to get it step by step to be finished.
You know, it's almost uncomfortable, man, because like my is pretty ready, man.
You should never feel ashamed about what you have, especially if you take pride in what you've done. So when people are just starting into this, it's really good to give them encouragement and give them enthusiasm to kind of continue instead of ripping on them and hating on them if their stuff's a little bit messy or spaghetti wire or something doesn't look right from your first point of view. We always gotta let them know, hey man, we were all in your boat at some point in our life. So it's good to encourage those people, not discourage them, especially if they're going through ups and downs in their life. Car audio can really bust people out of that kind of stuff. The way I see it, if you're happy, I'm happy. And if you want to show that off at a big show, I'm not gonna freaking take anything away from you or try to rob you of your freaking glory. So if I see you at the next show and you're a little bit nervous because your system's not humongous, don't worry, man. Come right up to me, show me your single subs, show me your couple 12s, anything under the sun, I'm right there with you jamming. And speaking of jamming, guys, you can obviously see we have got our fresh platter of subs newly installed, and that comes along with some other cool little projects that I've done, including the frickin' door panels. I'm sorry, it took like a year, but I was right in the middle of moving right when those plans for door pods kind of came to light. So a little bit of time went by. So we're gonna go right into our door pods. within the next couple weeks here on video, and then that's gonna kind of transition us into the behemoth build with the first steps for that. I've just been so overwhelmed with projects. We got the Toyota back up and running with subs, 4-channel and head unit. We got this back up and running with fresh recones and the installation of that, LEDs, and a whole bunch of other stuff that you guys don't know about on the dash. I'll probably update you guys a little bit on that because it really increased the sound quality of the system. So until the next video, guys, I hope you enjoyed this one, sitting around with Kessler there and our buddy Cody Hubbard's 6th order, making tons of noise, flexing like mad. That center console had no freaking chance. So let's go ahead and call it quits for today, guys. Thanks for watching the video. If you felt it had any entertainment value to you, feel free to stick around. I would love to have you guys here. Until the next one, this is XR signing out.